In the last class, we discussed interior parts of the earth. So the interior part of the earth can be divided into three layers, that is crust, mantle and core. And also we discussed movement of the earth crust, and also we discussed the Alfred Wegener theory, continental drift also we discussed. So today we are going to discuss the Earth's grid system. The Earth grid system. So many of you observed number of times atlas, globe, different kinds of the political maps, physical maps, and so many maps. So in that, have you ever observed the longitudes and latitudes? So here, so when we observe the atlas, so in that atlas, if you find a particular place, what about the latitudes and longitudes of that particular place? So if you take atlas in your hand, and first you have to find a particular place like Hyderabad or Chennai or Delhi or New York. So first you find the location. So first you find the place. Then you have to observe all the maps are prepared. The top side is north, bottom side is south, and it is west and east. This is the position of the all kinds of the maps. So by observing that, so you have to observe top and bottom, west and east. So there should be a imaginary lines. They are called the latitudes and longitudes. So if you find a particular place, you have to observe. So what about the degrees of the latitude and what about the degrees of the longitude? In this way, we can observe the latitudes and longitudes. So here we have to discuss about of the grid. So grid is nothing but on a globe a network of latitudes and longitudes are called grid. For example, you see this is the globe. What is this? This is the globe. So these are the latitudes. These are the latitudes. These are latitudes. So these are longitudes. These are longitudes. So here you see the latitudes and longitudes are crossing each other, so that we can observe. So this is called the grid. This is called the grid. So a network on a globe, a network of latitudes and longitudes are called the grid. So with the help of the grid, we can easily locate a particular place in the map. We can find a particular place in the map. And also at the same time, so how hot is there, how hot would be there in a particular place, or how cold would be there in a particular place. So in which direction we have to reach a particular place, and what about the time of that particular place at a moment. So these all are we can find easily with the help of the grid. What is grid? So a network of latitudes and longitudes are called the grid. So let us discuss deeply about of the latitudes and longitudes. So the first one is latitude. So latitude. So the word we received from Latin language. In Latin, so the word is latitudo. Latitudo. Latitudo means width. So we received latitude word from Latin language. So in that word name is latitudo. It means in Latin language width. So here, what are the latitudes? What are the latitudes? The horizontal lines around the earth are called the latitudes. All the latitudes are circles. All the latitudes are circles. So on the globe, the horizontal line which is around the which is at the middle and around the earth, equal distance from the north pole and south pole are called the equator. Are called the equator. So you see, so this is the center point on a globe. This is the center point on a globe. So equal distance from north pole and south pole. So this is around the earth are called the equator. So it is designated by the 0 degree. Equator is designated by 0 degree. Always the latitudes refers to degrees, like degrees, seconds, minutes and seconds. So always we have to show the latitudes in a map with the help of the degrees, minutes and seconds. In the same way, longitudes also referred by the degrees, minutes and seconds. So here the 0 degree latitude, it is also called equator. So it is the biggest longitude, largest longitude in entire longitudes. So it is dividing earth into two equal parts. So that is the north side is northern hemisphere. North side is northern hemisphere. South side is southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So here from 0 degrees to, if you go north side, so we can observe the degrees 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degrees. Likewise at top of the north 90 degrees. It is called the 90 degrees north pole. 90 degrees north pole. Likewise in the same way, if you go south side, we can observe here also 90 degrees south pole. So that the north side is 90 latitudes and south side is 90 latitudes. The 0 degree latitude is separate. The total latitudes are 181. Total including equator, the total latitudes are 181. So here, so as we move from equator to, as we move from equator to north pole or south pole, the circles of the latitudes will be decreased. The latitudes will be decreased. As we go to north pole, at north pole the 90 degree latitude will be as a point. It is not a circle, just it is a point. Likewise in south pole also the 90 degrees is a point. So always these latitudes are maintaining equal distance from one latitude to other latitude. The distance between from one latitude to other latitude is 111 kilometers. So it is about of the latitudes. So here in latitudes we have to designated with separate names some of the specific latitudes, like 23.5 degrees northern latitude. It is also Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degrees southern latitude, Tropic of Capricorn. Likewise, so according to the sun falling, so we designated with specific names. So this is 23.5 degrees northern latitude. So the north side of the latitudes are designated as northern latitudes. Southern latitudes are designated as southern latitudes. The total latitudes are 181 including equator. So equator is the largest latitude in entire latitudes. So next one is longitudes. So longitudes are the word received from Latin language longitudo. Longitudo means length. Longitudo means length. It received from Latin language. In Latin word its meaning is length. So what are the longitudes? What are the longitudes? So lines on a globe, lines are connecting from north pole to south pole are called the longitudes. All the longitudes are connecting from north pole to south pole. So these longitudes are semicircle, not circle like latitudes. All latitudes are circles, but whereas in longitudes are semicircle, because these longitudes are connecting from north pole to south pole. So here you see these are the connecting north pole to south pole, north pole to south pole, north pole to south pole. Likewise, so all longitudes are connecting from north pole to south pole. are called the longitudes. So these longitudes are crossing all the latitudes. These longitudes are crossing all the longitudes. So here the longitudes are 360. Longitudes are 360. So in that, so the 0 degree longitude. So 0 degree longitude. So which is passing in at Greenwich in England. Greenwich in England is called the 0 degree meridian or prime meridian or Greenwich line or meridian. So it is very important. So it is passing in England. It is passing in England. So here the entire world, many of the countries following the 0 degree latitude which is passing in England, but very few of the countries are not following, of course. So because many of the countries are following, so we know that England was ruled many of the countries on those days. That's why many of the countries following the 0 degree longitude. So here the longitudes are total 360. In that 0 degree longitude, so it opposite longitude is 180 degree longitude. 180 degree longitude. So here also from 0 degree longitude to, if you go east side, these longitudes are called eastern longitude. If you go from 0 degree longitude to west side, these are the western longitudes. Eastern longitude and western longitude. And also it is also called eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. So if you move from 0 degree longitude towards eastern side, that is called the eastern hemisphere. All these longitudes are called eastern longitudes. If we observe to the west side of the 0 degree longitude, it is called the western hemisphere. All longitudes are called west longitudes. So here these longitudes, by using these longitudes, we can observe the time of a particular place. So longitudes and question of time. So here from 0 degree longitude to, if we go east side, from each of the one longitude, the time variation is 4 minutes. The time variation is 4 minutes. If we go from 0 degrees to 1 degree eastern longitude, the time variation is 4 minutes. Next you go to 2 degree eastern longitude, 8 minutes, 3 degrees, 12 minutes. Likewise, if you go up to 180 degrees, so the time always add to 4 minutes for each and every longitude. At the same time, if you go west side, from each of the longitude, the time will be subtract. For example, minus 4 degrees, minus 8 degrees, minus 4 minutes, minus 8 minutes, minus 12 minutes. Likewise, the time will be subtract. So by observing all that, so the entire world divided into 24 time zones. 24 time zones. So each time zone carries difference is 1 hour. The difference between one time zone to other time zone is 1 hour. That is 1 hour means 15 degrees in one time zone. 15 degrees means 15 degrees into 4 minutes equal to 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. One time zone to other time zone, the time is difference is 1 hour. So here in the time zones, so they referred EGA and WLS. EGA means east gain add. If we go east side, always we gain 4 minutes of the time. That's why east gain add. If we go west side, the west gain subtract. That means if we go west side, always the 4 minutes will be decreased. That is the west last subtract. West last subtract. This is about of the 24 time zones in the world. So even in that, many of the countries, so due to having more extent within the country, there are 2 to 3 time zones. Due to that, to follow the different timings it is too complicated. So like you take in India, from east to west, we have a 2 time zones. That's why, like in our country, so we received the which longitude is passing at center of our country, like 82 and of eastern longitude is taken as the Indian Standard Time. Likewise, even in Pakistan also, they also took their center longitude as a Pakistan Standard Time. Likewise, many of the countries following, so due to overcome from the different time zone problems. So the lesson is complete. Thank you.